In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change ammo in Hunter Call of the Wild. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, there are various different types of guns in Hunter Call of the Wild, and all of these guns will use different sorts of ammunition. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to acquire ammunition for all of these types of weapons and how to properly equip it. So all of this can be managed when you go over to your storage at any outpost. So if you still need to acquire ammunition, go over to the store in any outpost. When you go to the store, one of the category is going to be ammo. So you will have rifle ammunition, handgun ammunition, shotgun ammunition, and arrows. You can choose any of these. You will see the price displayed here. Some might even be free, and you will be able to buy them. You can see the weapons that it is compatible with by choosing this option here, and there are a lot of stats for you to explore. For this video, I'm not going to go into too much detail about this. I'm just going to assume that you just want to purchase a little bit of ammunition, and after you acquire your ammo for the price displayed here, you will be able to drag it into your inventory. So you can go over to the storage page and make sure that it is in your inventory. With this done, exit out of the store. Open your inventory once more by going to the menu, and one of the categories is going to be ammo. Now, this is where you will be able to equip it. So after you drag it from the storage in the outpost into your inventory, you can open it back up once again. So make sure that you drag it here first and then go into the ammo tab second. And now you can find all of the ammunition that you have on you. If you need to acquire more, go over to any sort of store, drag it here, and you will be able to click to equip on any weapon that you currently have on your weapon wheel. You can put anything on the wheel by selecting the specific category and then choosing any of these slots available here. I hope I was able to help you on how to change ammo in Hunter Call of the Wild. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.